Okay, quick little project here. I've been having a problem with getting chipmunks up in the engine compartment of my truck. So I read somewhere that you could put Irish Spring soap. I've got a bunch of this Irish Spring bar soap that I've had ever since I stopped using it to go with body wash. And I figured I would put it in these cans. These are tins from flea collar for my dogs. And I could put it in there. I've perforated the hole. I started with a punch. Then I went over it with the drill using the countersink. And then any rough spots I sanded off with my sander here, my air sander. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to use this part of the of an old grater from upstairs in the kitchen. The wife's got a couple of new ones she doesn't use, so I figured I'll use this one. Shave the soap, bar of soap across there, put the shavings in here. Even though the whole bar will fit, you'll probably get more smell from the shavings, and they say that the chipmunks and squirrels don't like it. So that's today's little project. We're just gonna put it in here and shave away, see what happens. And we'll put these cans a couple of spots, get a little shavings in there, a couple different spots in the engine compartment, and hopefully that'll keep the squirrels out. I've had to replace some wiring and some vacuum lines that they chewed up, and it was affecting my four-wheel drive system and my cruise control, which both, I'm sorry, not cruise control, air conditioning, which both rely on vacuum. So there you go. That's today's quick tip. We'll give it a shot and hope it works.